I'm trying to see if there's enough light there. In this video, it's a quick video. I just want to show you, this is a Singer Model 20, and this is 2 layers of polyfill batting. And what I need to do, I'm working on a small project that's about 18 inches square, and I need to piece some batting to do that. And this is where the Model 20s come in handy, because you can just stitch something quickly without making it a big deal or having a big machine out. And as you can see, it is sewing just fine with this batting. And I don't think you'll be able to see the stitches in detail. Maybe. These are beautiful stitches. They're just beautiful. I can't see whether or not the camera is picking that up, but they are just beautiful stitches. So this is another reason to have a Singer Model 20.